Hi guys, welcome back. Today also I will discuss with you some important things about newsletters on Beehiiv platform. Some important sections on Beehiiv platform that you should know if you want to grow your newsletter, if you want to earn more money from your newsletter. This is one of my newsletter. You can see I have 7,228 subscribers with open rate of 16.2, and here is the click rate. Is quite low. Okay, it's actually very low because I couldn't publish articles and I couldn't run advertisement actively on this newsletter. It is 1.74. You can see here earnings section. You can see last 4 weeks. Here is last 4 week analytics. It is $600, right? It is $600 for last 4 weeks. If I click on last 3 months, it is $1,200. If it is last 12 months, it is $2,383. And let's see, last 7 days it is only $144, right? Not much, but I will show you how I grow this newsletter until I earn around $50,000 per month. Okay, you can see here on actually this is a new dashboard on Beehiiv platform. If you are familiar with Beehiiv platform, you may have seen the old dashboard, but this is actually very good. This is very easy to grab so much information. You can see subscriber growth. It shows day by day, right here, day by day, how much subscribers did I get on that particular day. You can see at this date, 24th, I have got 75 new subscribers. Actually my target was to get at least 100 subscribers per day. 100 subscribers per day. Actually we cannot get that organically. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have a blog, or maybe some following on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, you can get, right? But if you don't have those kind of following, you must run advertisement. In future videos I will show you how to run advertisement. Actually I also run some advertisement here. You can see when we scroll down, you can see a paid ad, right? Last 4 weeks I have got 357 subscribers from Facebook paid ad. We have to connect the Facebook pixel into this, then only we can get these details. And of course from Facebook referrals means someone share my details or some my links, and they subscribe to my newsletter via Facebook. It is a Facebook referral. Actually we can combine these two and consider this all from paid ads, because I am not active on Facebook page, my Facebook page. I am not actively posting stuff on Facebook page. All the subscribers that generated via Facebook is totally depend on my ads, right? Advertisement. So it's almost I think 620 subscribers on last 4 weeks via Facebook. Then you can see I have got some subscribers from direct, and I have a embed form. That means I have a form. I will show you how to create a form, and I have shared that form on some groups, and they have filled that embed form, and I have got 167 subscribers via that form. Then I have a small YouTube channel, and I have got 100 subscribers from that YouTube channel relevant to this subject, okay, this topic, not this channel, not 1 million newsletter channel. This is a different channel. And I have got 4 subscribers from Instagram, right? I'm not active on Instagram. Actually I don't post on Instagram relevant to this site. Okay, now you can see the subscriber growth for last 4 weeks. Okay, now this is a dashboard section. You can create a Beehiiv account. I have a link in the description. From that link you can create the Beehiiv account, and you can get some discount if you go for a paid plan. Okay, now here is the post section. I will not show you the post section because you may see my real newsletter name on this post section. I don't want to reveal this newsletter name to you because I don't want you to go and subscribe to this newsletter, because this is very niche newsletter. right? So I don't want someone else go and subscribe to this newsletter, because I want someone who is really interested on this topic to subscribe to this newsletter. Then here you can go to audience section. If you click that audience section, you can see subscribers. If you click this subscriber tab, you will see all the subscribers. Then you can see the segment, automation, polls, surveys and subscriber forms. I will show you how to create each of these, how to create a segment, how to create an automation, how to create polls, how to create surveys, and how to create subscriber forms. Then you click on grow section. This is a way you can grow your newsletter. If you have international newsletter, or if you have a newsletter on relevant to India or any other country, you can grow your newsletter via boost, via referral links, via recommendation or magic link. I will describe all those things in future videos step by step. Okay, now here is the monetization tab. If you click, then you can see there are 3 ways we can monetize our newsletter. First one is through advertisement, then via boost, then paid subscription. Paid subscription is easy, right? You can create a free section on your newsletter, then you can create another paid section for your newsletter. If someone subscribe to your newsletter as a paid subscriber, only they can then only they can see that paid content. Okay, now here is the boost section. Boost section means for example, when I run the FB ad, when someone subscribe to my newsletter, Beehiiv will recommend some other newsletters relevant to my topic. Actually, I am the one who select those newsletters relevant to my topic. Then the subscriber who subscribe to my newsletter can subscribe to that suggested newsletter. Then I will get some dollar amount per subscriber. It is around $1. When I click on this boost tab, you can see I have earned total $3,596 from boost, and I have pending $368 from boost. This is a verified subscribers. That means this is a subscribe amount that I have got for other newsletters, right? You can see I have 6 boost. That means I have active 6 boost. I will show you how to do that. This is verification rate. This is very important. This is actually very good, right? 17.5% verification rate. That means from all the subscribers that I have got 2,200 subscribers, that means I have driven, actually we can calculate this like this. It is 2,200 divided by 17.5 multiplied by 100. That means I have driven 12,571 subscribers to other newsletters via boost, but only 2,200 were verified. I was paid only for this verified subscribers, not for this 12,571 subscribers. They should be verified subscribers. There are some parameters they use to verify the subscribers. Sometimes they send a test email to check the open rate and click rate. If I can improve this to 50% verification rate, my earning will be double or triple. We can actually control this if we drive targeted traffic, right? If we select this boost relevant to our newsletter, we can get this verification rate further up. I will discuss all those things in future videos. Okay, now this is the ad section. That means you can place direct advertisement on your newsletter, but the earning from that advertisement depend on 2 parameters. First one is click-through rate of your newsletter. If you have high click rate, you can earn more money. And next parameter is the amount of money paid by that newsletter. That means there are some newsletter they pay around $2 per click. Some newsletter only 50 cents per click. So if you have a newsletter which pays $2 per click and you have high click rate, you can earn a lot of money. You can see last month I only earned $286 from advertisement, and I ran 23 ads. But initially you saw that my click rate is very low for this newsletter. It is around 1.74. That's the reason. If this is 17.4, this earning will 10x. That's the beauty of this. Okay, now this website, there is a website builder. I usually use this, and this legacy builder also there. Then analysis, you can get subscribers report, post report, click report, like that. I will discuss all these things in future videos, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.